Asking questions and answering questions is a very important part of your day-to-day conversation. Hi, I am Purvi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will understand how to make interrogatives, questions in present simple tense. Right? Yes, if you haven't watched my video on present simple tense, I want you to go through that video first, understand how we make positive statements, what is the structure, where do we use present simple tense, and then get back to this, right? The link is in the description below. So watch that first and then you try this. So here we are going to discuss about questions in present simple tense. So all the questions in present simple tense starts with sentence starts with do or does. So now what you need to keep in mind. So whenever your subject is I first person, you second person, we first person plural, they third person plural, or any plural subject, right? I would say I, you, we, they and plural. If subject is plural, I or you should start your questions with do. If it is positive question, and you start with don't if it is negative questions. So do you wake up early? क्या तुम जल्दी उठते हो? या don't you wake up early? क्या तुम जल्दी नहीं उठते हो? Right? Then if your subject is singular, say any singular subject or he or she or it is a bird or animal here. So he, she, any singular subject, Sita, your friend, your brother, your father, your uncle, Ramesh, Geeta, any single subject. You should start question with does if it is positive and doesn't if it is negative. So does she wake up early? क्या वो जल्दी उठती है? Doesn't she wake up early? क्या वो जल्दी नहीं उठती है? So this is how you start questions. So when I say questions, there are two types of questions that we ask. There is one question which you can answer in yes or no, and the other question which you cannot answer in yes or no. So I would say that yes, one question which you can answer in yes or no. So I would say yes, no question. And the other one which you cannot answer in yes or no, that is your WH question. Let me give you one example. So if I say, do you wake up early? You would say, yes, madam, I wake up early. No, I don't wake up early. But if I ask you, why don't you wake up early? Now, when I say, why don't you wake up early? You cannot say yes and no. You would say, madam, I don't wake up early because I sleep very late. I sleep very late. मैं बहुत देर से सोता हूँ तो मैं जल्दी नहीं उठता हूँ, right? So both the questions are important in conversation. सवाल पूछना और जवाब देना दोनों आपको सीखना है. Hope you understood this much. Let's see some examples, right? Now, so here are examples. So now first question. Do you go to office by train every day? क्या आप रोज ट्रेन से ऑफिस जाते हैं? Now I have used do. Why? Because subject is you. So when your subject is I, you, we, they or plural, you start with do or don't. So क्या तुम ट्रेन से ऑफिस जाते हो? And when I say don't you go to office by train, क्या तुम ट्रेन से ऑफिस नहीं जाते हो? But if I am talking about Sita, so I would say, does Sita go to office by train? Does Sita go to office by train? क्या सीता ट्रेन से ऑफिस जाती है? Hope you understood. So do and does, positive and negative both. Second question, don't you sleep early? Don't you sleep early? Now negative question, क्या तुम जल्दी नहीं सोते हो? Yes, you would say yes, madam, I don't sleep early. Now you would say yes. So when you say yes, this is an agreement. You said yes, and no is disagreement. So yes, I don't sleep early. No, madam, I sleep every day early. So this is how you answer questions. So don't you sleep early? But again, I am talking about Sita. I would say, doesn't Sita sleep early? Doesn't Sita sleep early? क्या सीता जल्दी नहीं सोती है? So I would say yes, she doesn't sleep early. No, madam, she sleeps early or she does sleep early. Let's go to third question. Do they make payments on time? Do they make payments on time? क्या वो लोग टाइम पे पेमेंट करते हैं? Right? Yes, they make payments on time. No, they don't make payments on time. हाँ, वो टाइम पे पेमेंट करते हैं. ना मैडम, वो टाइम पे पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं. Now you can make this negative. What you need to do? Do का क्या करेंगे? Don't. So don't they make payments on time? क्या वो समय पे पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं? If you say yes, you are telling yes, madam, they don't make payments on time. No, madam, they do make payments on time, or they do it, or they make payments on time. But if I am talking about Ramesh, I would say, does Ramesh make payments on time? क्या रमेश टाइम पे पेमेंट करता है? Now let's look at next. Does he save money? क्या वो पैसा बचाता है? Yes, he does save money, or he saves money. No, he doesn't save money. Next, does Geeta like to sing? Does Geeta like to sing? क्या गीता को गाना गाना पसंद है? Yes, she likes to sing, or she does like to sing. No, she doesn't like to sing. उसे गाना गाना पसंद नहीं है. See, look at all this. See, आपने प्रेजेंट सिंपल वीडियो देखा है तो यू ऑलरेडी, आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू कनेक्ट. कहाँ कहाँ यूज करते हैं? दिस आर ऑल जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स, योर हैबिट्स और रिपीटेड एक्शंस इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम और द थिंग्स दैट यू लाइक टू डू. डू यू बाय ग्रोसरी फ्रॉम डीमार्ट? डू यू गो टू बैंक एवरी वीक? और डू यू अटेंड ऑल द मीटिंग्स रेगुलरली? दिस आर ऑल जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स, राइट, where you use this, right, present tense. Now let's look at some WH questions. Now I will start with why. Now WH questions, why मतलब क्यों, when मतलब कब, where मतलब कहाँ, how मतलब कैसे, who मतलब कौन, from where मतलब कहाँ से, for whom मतलब किसके लिए. So you can write different WH questions. Let's look at example now. Why? Why don't you come on time? Yes, generally हम ये use करते हैं. Why don't you come on time? क्यों तुम समय पे नहीं आते हो? Right? So this is why don't you. Now if I am talking about third person, I would say why doesn't Ramesh come on time? क्यों रमेश टाइम पे नहीं आता है? Next is when. When do you reach home? When do you reach home? आप कब घर पहुंचते हो? When does सीता reach home? कब सीता घर पहुंचती है? Now what मतलब क्या? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time or leisure time? आपको अपने free time में क्या करना पसंद है? I would say I like to watch YouTube videos in my free time. Next, yes, if it is third person, you would say what does he like to do in his free time? What does he like to do? उसे क्या पसंद है, right? Free time में करने के लिए. What does he like to do in his free time? He likes to sing when he is free, or he likes to sing in his free time. Now which मतलब कौन सा? I would say which application do they use? वो लोग कौन सा एप्लीकेशन यूज करते हैं फॉर एडिटिंग वीडियोस? वीडियो एडिट करने के लिए वो लोग कौन सा एप्लीकेशन यूज करते हैं? सी, थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंट हुआ. With this question you write do first, but when you write which, you write application first and then do. Look at the structure. You need to make more questions. ये देख के मेरे साथ बोल के आपको और अपने questions भी try करने हैं. Next is who. Yes, whenever you write questions with who in any of the tense, right? जब who से सवाल बनाते हैं तो आपको साथ में singular verb लेना है. Why? Because right now you don't know आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So who के साथ I would say who does send the report. कौन रिपोर्ट भेजता है? I would say who does send the report, or you can directly say who sends the report. Who sends. Who comes early. कौन जल्दी आता है, और who comes late. कौन लेट आता है. Who pays bill on time. कौन बिल टाइम पे भरता है. Who teaches you English. कौन आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है. Lot of questions you can try. Do you want to try more questions? Yes, I have that exam, your test ready, and you will find the link in the description below. Description में आपको link मिलेगा. try to write those questions, right? I have shared the sentences. You try to translate in English and practice more. You will also get answer after completing the test. Do that and check videos also, other videos. I have put all the links in the description below. If you like and understood, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.